Hi everyone. Let's discuss this question. Okay, how to find the area of the shaded region for this particular polygon. We always have to use the particular concept area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is always equals to the total area minus area of the unshaded region. Okay, we have to follow this concept, okay, to make our life easier. Okay, there are many ways to find the area of the shaded region in this diagram, but the easiest way is to find the total area first and then minus the unshaded area. You will automatically get the area of the shaded region. So this is what I'm going to be doing for this question. Okay, first I need to find the total area. So this is actually a polygon with 12 sides. Please take note, a polygon with 12 sides. So what I know for a polygon with 12 sides, the interior angle is 150. How you got this 150? You have to recall this particular formula that you learnt few years ago. This is the interior angle of a regular polygon, 150. Okay, so second thing that you need to understand, that all the interior angle, that means from the center O, if I make lines that join to all the alphabets here, starting from S all the way to all the way to R, or a full loop, if I join straight lines like this, I will actually get everything equal length, which I can write as R, okay, or any length, okay. So I decided to choose as R. So everything will be equal size. And some more, question already mentioned that the distance from O to A is actually equivalent to R as well. So I'm going to stick to R, okay. So if you really see how to find the area of a polygon, what we need to really do here is that we have to find area of one triangle here as I shade. We just find this one triangle and then we need to multiply by 12 because we have the same triangle repeating 12 times. Okay, we have number 1 here, number 2 here, number 3 here, 4, 5, 6, and then when you count until here you'll have 12 triangles. So I need to find the area of one triangle and then I just need to multiply by 12 to find the total area of the polygon. Okay, that is what I'm going to do. So the total area of the polygon is equivalent to 12 multiply area of one triangle. Area of one triangle, I know the angle here is 30 degrees, which I mentioned is actually because 360 degrees divided by 12 is equals to 30 degrees. So every angle will be equivalent 30 throughout. Okay, so 30, and then the length here is R, and then the length here is R. So we're going to use the formula for area from solution of triangle. We're going to use that 1 over 2 R square sine theta, which is 30 degrees. Okay, so when you press this one in calculator, you'll get area of polygon is actually equivalent to 12 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by R square multiplied by 1 over 2, because sine 30 you'll get 1 over 2. So finally you will actually get 12 multiplied by 1 over 2, and 1 over 2 again will give you 3, and then it's going to be 3R square. So that is the total area of the polygon. Okay, so this one we already settled. Okay, we already find the total area, which is the area of a polygon, and then now we're going to find the area of the unshaded, kawasan yang tidak dilakatkan. Okay, the unshaded region, if you really notice, is actually this area. Okay, which I highlight in blue for you, this area. So we have 4 of them, which is equal size. So what we can do in this case, we just find one area and then multiply by 4 to make our life easier. So how to find this unshaded region, the blue color that I just highlighted right now, is very, very simple. You need to observe this one. Okay, when I join from O to S is also equivalent to R, right? And then they said for the arc R to U, the center is at B, right or not? So when I join from B to U also, I'm going to get R. I'm going to get R like shown here. And then from here to here also, when I join, I'm going to get R. You have to keep that in mind. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to join from B to O like this. So when I join from B to O is also R. So we have R here, which is B to U is also R. B to O is also R. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to join from here to here. And I'm going to join from here to here. And that's where I'm going to highlight for my area of a segment. Tempering, which is this area. Okay, and don't worry, you can actually find anyway because all of them are actually equal size. So you can find anywhere you want, no problem. So this is the yellow color segment that I'm going to find out. Okay, so maybe some of you already forgot how to find the area of a segment. It's very easy. When you have two radius like this, and we have a line middle like this, and then we have a circle like this, this is known as the segment. This area is the segment. So how to find this area? The formula is 1 over 2. Let me write it the white color. Formula is 1 over 2 r square theta minus sine theta, where this one must be in radian, this one must be in degrees. The theta is actually in the middle here. Okay, this one you really need to understand. Okay, so that's how I'm going to find out. So in order to find out the area of the segment yellow color, I need to know the angle here. Okay, I need to know the angle here, which is the theta. Okay, how to find this angle is very easy. You need to understand this thing properly. Okay, can you see 150 here? So that means from this value total, from here all the way up to here, is actually 150. Okay, so same goes for here. Here also is 150, and here also is 150. So if you only see that one triangle there, the small triangle which I draw at the side here, okay, we realize that here is actually 150 because it's a regular polygon. So the balance here is going to be 15, and here also going to be 15. Why? Because this side and this side are equal in size. Okay, so this small area here, is going to have an angle of 15 degrees, and this small area here gonna have an angle of 15 degrees. That makes the angle in the middle here is 120. So when you divide into two equal triangle, the inside here is actually 60 degrees, and the balance here is also 60 degrees. So we know already that theta is actually equivalent to 60 degrees. So that's what we're going to substitute into this formula. So 1 over 2 r square, theta is pi over 3, please remember, minus sine 60. So please press this one in calculator. First you need to press sine 60. You will get some decimal numbers, and then 3.142 divided by 3 minus with answer. You'll get 0.18 something, and then multiply with 0.5, which is the 1 over 2 in front. You will actually get 0.09065 r square. Yes, this is the area of the segment. Total we have 4 segments like this. So 4 multiplied by 0.09065 r square, you will end up getting 0.3626. 0.3626 r square. Okay, so how many segments we have? Actually not 4, we actually have 8. I'm very sorry, we have 8 segments. You know why I say 8 segments? Every when you check one by one, every white unshaded region actually got 2 segments. One is here on top and one at the bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the shapes, and every shape got 2 of them. So you're not supposed to multiply by 4, you're supposed to multiply by 8. I'm very sorry. So let me correct that part. So here will be 8 times 0. This one. So you will actually get 0.7253. 7253 r square. Don't forget the r square, please. Okay, this is the area of the unshaded segment. Okay, so now what is remaining is to find the area of the triangle in the middle, which I'm going to highlight in the orange color. The area of the triangle in the middle, which is same like what we did here, but we no need to do 12 times. You only need to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Because for every shape here, there is only one triangle. So we just going to take 4 of this. 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 r square sine 30 degrees. Okay, so that will in turn will give me just r square only, because when you multiply 4 with 1 over 2, you get 2. 2 multiplied by sine 30 is actually 1, so it's just r square. So finally the total area of the entire polygon is 3r square, and minus all the segment is 0.7253 r square, minus all the middle area between the segments is just r square. So try to press this in calculator. 3 minus 0.7253 minus 1, you will get 1.2747 r square. That's how you got the answer. Thank you.